Day 3 of our father-son Patagonia ride was an early morning, as we had to make the morning ferry to cross the Strait of Magellen to mainland Chile. From there, we had a heavy mileage day across the windswept plains to get to Puerto Natales, which is the common entry point to the famous Torres Del Paine National Park. Today is pretty cloudy and overcast, with a good chance of rain and strong winds. We have so much ground to cover today that we don't have a choice but to forge ahead and try to get to Puerto Natales in one piece. So here we go. We made it to the ferry on time and enjoyed the much shorter ride across the strait. We had just enough time to eat a high-class ferry hot dog lunch and caught a little wildlife along the way. Our next portion of the trip would be the toughest, as we had to go 200 miles through wind and rain to get to our destination of Puerto Natales. The wind is really starting to pick up, and this is, I think, just a little bit of a taste of those famous Patagonia winds. The rain isn't helping. We still got a ways to go. I'm going to try and crouch down here and get out of the wind a little bit. This is sort of working, but both of us are just getting blown around. You're just going along, and all of a sudden, boom, you're drifting over to the other side of the lane. This is tough. It's a good thing we don't have too much farther to go. Woo! All right. We are here, Puerto Natales. And just trying to find our hostel, which is around here somewhere. Today was a long ride, windy, rainy. I think this is it right here. But tomorrow, the next day and a half, being in Torres Del Paine is going to be absolutely incredible. Yeah, this looks like this is it. Awesome.